Hi, my name is Chloe and today I will tell you everything you need to know about iGenics review before actually purchasing the product. I also have two really important alerts, so pay close attention to what I have to tell you. The first thing you need to know about iGenics is, be careful with the website you will buy iGenics, because iGenics is only sold on the official website. To help you, I left the link to the official website below in the description of this video. So, iGenics really works? And the answer is yes, iGenics works, and after many laboratory tests, researchers have identified that there is a natural formula with 12 concentrated ingredients. iGenics is an innovative solution that corrects the root cause of vision loss, works by restoring vision, fighting future damage to your retina, optic nerve, and DNA. The iGenics supplement has an ancient natural therapeutic substance that assists in the repair and regeneration of damaged DNA and the restoration of perfect vision, addressing the fundamental cause of the problem, a condition known as Proinflammatory chronic inflammatory, which results in visual loss and failure of cell reproduction. iGenics helps you restore your vision in less than 7 days without expensive procedures or therapies. Because it is safe and effective with a natural composition, iGenics has no adverse effects. So yes, you can trust this product. There are many people who have great results with iGenics and you can have results as well. However, you need to keep in mind that each body will react in a unique way. That's a bit obvious, but I'm saying this so you're realistic about your treatment and expectations. There is something really important about this product that you need to know. Before you buy it, you can actually test iGenics for 60 days, and if you don't get results, if you don't like it, they will refund your money. Also, for iGenics to work, you need to take the treatment seriously. You need to take it every day, 2 capsules every morning, or else you will not see great results and will get a little frustrated. You can see the initial results in the first month, but most people have better results after 3 months using this product. Also important that you know that iGenics has no side effects since it is natural. So I wanted to record this video, first to tell you to be careful with the site you will buy iGenics, and also, if you buy the product, do the exact treatment, take it seriously. Remember to keep in mind that your results will be very different from anyone else, because your body acts in a very unique way. I really hope this video has helped you, and I also hope that iGenics really helps you a lot to improve your life and have many other benefits that this product promotes. This iGenics review pills is designed to really help you.